Oh no, not again. Have you had this problem before? Your kids leave their toys in the pool and they get jammed in the robotic cleaner? You can see here that the toy's jammed in the roller, so let's get that out. So this should work for any of the Maytronics style cleaners that have the tracks. To press the coloured clips, there should be 2 each of these for each of the 2 coloured side panels. Then they should just pull off. Then undo the screw on the rear left drive wheel, and that'll release the track and allow you to pull off the roller. Now there should be a rubber guard that sits in behind the roller that might have been pulled off, so that's easy to put back on as well. You might find it easy to push through the little rubber lug, and then using some needle nose pliers, rub the rubber and then give it a little bit of a pull. Then reverse the process to reassemble. Finishing with the left track, insert the left drive wheel and secure with the screw. Replace the coloured side panels and then check that all 4 coloured lugs are secure. All up takes about 10 minutes. Before you turn it on, let's get these toys out. And we're away again, all fixed. A big shout out to Aaron at Sydney Pool Robotics. He showed me how to fix that. That's where I take all of my robotic cleaners or pumps that need major work. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share with friends and check out our other videos.